Hello guys, we use my phone Huawei P Smart Z. Start unpacking. Open box, look complectation. In complectation we have device in the green color. Key for SIM slot and instructions. Adapter for charging. USB Type-C cable. And headphones. Okay, good complectation with headphones. And now talk about device. On the back side, double camera LED and fingerprint scanner. On the downside, USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and jack for headphones. On the right side, power key and volume keys. Left side, without controls. Upside, we have slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, and this front camera. Okay. On the front side display, 6.6 inch. Turn on. Open settings. About system. Version UMI 9.0.1, version Android 9. LTPS Matrix display. Open Geekbench 4 and talk about system information. CPU high silicon Kirin 710. This is octa-core processor 4+4 cores, 1.7 and 2.2 CPU speed. Mali G51, this is GPU, RAM memory 4GB, Intel memory 64GB. Okay, look results, CPU test results. And GPU test results. Close this. Open Antutu benchmark, look Antutu score. Antutu score. Ranking. Device support 10 touches. Okay. Ranking. Okay, close this. And open next test, game test. Open GTA San Andreas, start on the max graphic level. Run game on the max graphic level. Game load and works good. Smooth, without lags and glitches. A good gameplay on the GTA San Andreas on max graphic level. Okay, close this and talk about camera. Front camera 60 megapixels, main camera double camera 16 plus 2 megapixels. Front camera this. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.